Hi guys, and we are going to be playing with Kinetic sand. And I have played with this a lot, so all the colors are mixed up. Oh, this is one. I think you put this is a car. And then we have this and a big old buddy pirate. So we have loads of bags of the same color because we really mixed all of them. And if you see, you might see 4 new videos, which that's understandable. Oh, jeez. Oh, no, it already been 1 minute. Okay, I'm going to make this
All right. Everybody is all right. I made it.
So, oh, hit. All that Kinetic. And now so what should we make? Let's make this can be like rocks. We can make like an adventure thing. I'm gonna make that video soon actually. That might be pretty fun. I'm trying to look at the camera, but my dad told me to, but it doesn't work. Ah! Came out. Oh yeah, that is perfect. Look at it close. Okay. Oh no, it's ruined. It's ruined. Ah! There's popcorn in here. That must be not good. Close. What's that? Geez, it's already been 2 minutes? What? And now it's been 3 minutes. I'm gonna make it. So this is the car. Let's see how it turns. Oh, it just blocked. Yeah, it's a dirt. It's like poop. It's raining. It feels uncomfortable. Look at it. If I just make it 1 hour every time. I needed 3 minutes though yesterday. Wait, other video of today. It's a big pie. Oh, it's going. Ow! Hold on. Before I end out this video. How many minutes? I think it's 25. Yeah, it's 25. Oh, yeah. It's just this up big, ginormous, weird covered pie. And I'm gonna eat it. Oh no, it's green. Whoops. Let's make this big dinosaur. This big dinosaur. Yeah. Nope. I almost put it on the front. Whoops. Jeez, minutes go fast. Fast. You guys should make your own channel. Just asking. But to make your own channel, actually, you have to be 13, which I don't like. I'm not 13. So all you have to say is to get to my other videos on my channel. It just say Casey Jane. Because that's my mom's name. I shared it out already. I'm sorry, but then you know where my channel is. But next video soon when I get a channel, or maybe sneaky. Oh yeah. So that's gonna be it for today. Hope you enjoy, and I need to clean this up because I already cleaned this like a little safety. I'm gonna have to clean my cabinet. Whoops. So I hope you enjoyed. That will be it for today. And if you are new to the channel, please join Team Jada's Cupcake. That's soon gonna be my channel, but right now it's Casey Jane. And we'll see y'all guys next time. Just so you know, the Casey starts with a K. And I have a TV on. You need to go watch it. So we'll see you guys next time. Bye. Go get Kinetic Sand.